is Kishtivity. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Kishtivity. In this video, I am going to tell you how to remember numbers. So, here is a technique to remember numbers. That is number mnemonics. Number mnemonics are techniques that are used to remember numbers by associating them with images, rhymes, sounds, letters, etc. First, we learn how to associate with images. Numbers are abstract, so it is hard to remember. To make them remember, you must assign a particular shape to each number, like 1 is like a stick, 2 is like a duck, 3 is like a mustache, and 4 is like a chair, 5 is like a hook, 6 is like a trunk of the elephant, 7 is like street lights, 8 is like spectacles, 9 is like a lollipop, 10 is like bat and ball. This is my imagination. You can imagine in your own way. Like 1 is like candle also. 3 is like butterfly wing also. 7 is like snake also. Like this. See friends, till now we learned how to imagine numbers. Now I am going to tell you how to relate these images to historical dates. For example, we got freedom at 1947. You all know that it is 19th century. How to remember 47? We get freedom at midnight now. So, a chair is under a street light. Next one, 1950. India became republic. 50. How to remember this? A hook is holding a ball. Easy. Next one, India launched its first satellite in 1975. How to remember this? 7 is like street light. 5 is like a hook. A street light is holding a hook. Very easy. One more. Kargil War. Very easy. 1999. 2 lollipops. Very easy, no? If you learn like this, it will remain in your mind permanently. Use your own way to remember. In my next video, I am going to tell you how to relate with letters and words. For that, you have to subscribe my YouTube channel, Kishtivity. Thank you.